Hey everyone, I want to introduce to Celebrity credit card today, and I'm on celebrity.com on main page now. And as you see, it is a bit different from other website main pages because there is a security check on the main page, and you need to press and hold a button here because if you are a human and a robot, don't worry, you check the system checks the box below and to access the site. So in order to access the site, we need to press and hold this button. Press and hold button here, and I am doing now it. Yes. So the system checked whether am I a real human. Yes, I'm on the main page of Celebrity and I accept cookies. Now I am on the main page celebrity.com/credit card, and in this page you can see the rewards of Celebrity. Um, and for example, and also you can see the transactions what you can do on this page. You can pay your bill online, you can view your account activity, and also you can check your card balance and you can update your card information, and also you can see and check your points earned from celebrity.com. It's really easy to use this website, and also if you want to apply to have Celebrity credit card, you need to click the red button, apply now button here. Also you can click the, I think there is a account button on the right type of the page. Rewards, credit card apps. No. So yes. Okay. I see. And you can also see the right on the right top of the page. You need to click sign in or register button here, or you can apply now button here. After clicking it, and you will see a form, and if you are a member of celebrity.com, you need to type this information, but if you want to register or apply now, you need to click register and apply now button here. Yes, and you need to fill this information here. After this filling information, you can create your account and you can apply for Celebrity credit card. Yes, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and share my videos. See you. Bye.